So most people starting out with dropshipping end up starting with something like this. They start selling products like sunset lamps, astronaut projectors, water dehumidifiers or humidifiers, lion bracelets, and these moon lamps. If you sold one of these products or you've seen these products before and you tried selling or you considered selling these, you are classified as a traditional dropshipper, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that. And I used to sell those products just 3 years ago, okay? I faced these issues. I faced banned ad accounts, people stealing my products in my website, chargebacks because of the low quality products I was selling, unhappy customers because of the low quality products, which stems from the suppliers that I'm using, and then long shipping times, which also stems from the suppliers and the product types that I'm going to be selling. Okay, my winning products were these products right here. And I was only really able to sell these because I was running Google ads. I tried Facebook ads on a few low ticket dropshipping stores before. I tried selling LED floor lamps and then these toothpaste dispensers. Did not make any sales. So those two stores were a flop. But my store that I started selling products consistently for a little bit of time was these graphic tablets. I sold these for like $179.95, and then I think similar, or $139.95 and $179.95. So they're a little bit high ticket. I wouldn't even consider these high ticket nowadays because I don't even sell anything in the $100 price range. These are even considered low ticket in my opinion. Then these products all died. Okay, people copied my products in my website overnight, just like a snap of a finger. Okay, and I only made low ticket ecom work because of this one simple thing: Google Ads. Okay, Google Ads is quite literally the lifesaver that changed it all for me. I tried Facebook ads at one time. I failed 3 stores, but with Google ads, I was profitable in 1 to 2 months. Okay, why? Because Google ads is high intent traffic versus people that are doom scrolling on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Same thing. Okay, I thought to myself, I have a good understanding of how Google ads work, but then I can't really find out why my products keep getting stolen and people keep copying my products. How can I escape junk products and suppliers? So my main issue was I figured out the advertising problem because I switched from Facebook. There was no TikTok at the time, or it was very new at the time, so I didn't really try TikTok. But Facebook at the time, now worked for me. But Google ads, within 1 to 2 months, I was profitable. Okay, so I found an advertising platform that worked for me. And as a beginner, it made so much more logical sense to use Google ads because it's just like words. You just show up for words for your ads, and if it's not correlated to your products, you exclude them and you keep the good ones. And that's literally all it comes down to, okay? I have a good understanding of Google ads. Now, how can I fix the problem of junk products and suppliers? Well, in 2021, I found out about high ticket dropshipping from a podcast. And at that point, my low ticket store was failing, winning products were dying, and it made so much more sense that high ticket dropshipping just solves the problem. I figured out the Google ads problem, which high ticket also uses Google ads, and it fixes the supplier and product problems because we're sourcing from local based USA suppliers and solves both of those problems that I was facing when I was trying to run stores. And I would only make money for a few months, deal with all these headaches just to close on the store eventually because people be copying my products, copying my store. I would follow constant DMCA, ad accounts would get banned on Facebook, and it fixed all these problems. No more stolen winning products, no more bad quality suppliers, and no more relying on Facebook or TikTok ads. Okay, this is what I sell now. Now, these are not the exact products because the exact products, I'm not trying to create more competition for myself. Okay, doesn't make sense to. I'm selling furniture. Okay, I sell furniture like sofas, couches, barbecue grills, mattresses, and you see, comparing the two sites. Okay, let me do some comparison for you. This is a low ticket dropshipping store. Now, this is actually a low ticket dropshipping store that actually looks pretty decent. Okay, most low ticket dropshipping stores look absolutely horrendous with one product stores optimized for mobile and their desktop looks absolutely terrible. Okay, this is actually really good. So I'm giving you a really good low ticket dropshipping store already, and it still doesn't. Okay, it's not great. What is it called? The description is just like left sided. This is what a high ticket dropshipping store would look like. Okay, we go to let's just go to random collection, random product. You can see frequently bought together, shop this collection. It just seems way more built out. They have people that you can actually reach out to, a phone number that you can call, a live chat, email support. Most of these stores, they don't have a phone number. They might have a live chat. They actually do have a phone number. I guarantee you they don't really pick up like this store does. So I'm really not setting myself up for a great comparison by picking a really, really good low ticket dropshipping store, but most low ticket dropshipping stores, I'm sure you know, because you build those stores like that, they're terrible. Okay, I'll literally go to my Twitter and show you like, what is the site? Someone posted this on Reddit about like running ads and not getting sales, but look at their site. This is your typical store. What even is this? I'm not trying to shit on these stores, but like if you're building stores like this and you expect sales, like good luck. You're just horrendous. And then this guy commented, this is like your more traditional low ticket dropshipping that looks, they're already on their phone, so they're always optimizing for mobile. So, which isn't nothing wrong with that, but you should always optimize for both platforms, not just mobile. That's a very big myth. So that's most low ticket dropshipping stores. The difference between those two is very much so night and day. Low ticket one looks good, but most of them looks horrendous. It's a night and day difference. And this is really just comparing the two differences between low ticket dropshipping, which is what you're most likely doing if you're watching this video, and the high ticket dropshipping, which is a new way of dropshipping going forward. Low ticket dropshipping is selling product for $20, making $10 profits. It sounds like 50% margins, but look, I would rather take a $2,000 product, make $500, which is only 25% margin, buy $500 to acquire a customer. And the number one thing to know inside of advertising is if you're a new marketer, the marketer that can spend the most to acquire a customer automatically will win. So having more margins, this business right here, doing the high ticket dropshipping business model, will always outcompete against low ticket because they have higher margins to spend more on ads. Okay, long shipping times, fast shipping times because you're using quality suppliers, low quality products versus luxury high-end products, angry customers, 5-star reviews. I'm not just making this stuff up. Like, I give 5-star reviews on my store on autopilot. And I literally just made a high ticket sale just now. I checked my store. $1,232. I'm not sure if you guys heard that Shopify cha-ching, but like we're doing things live and practicing exactly what I preach. Okay, luxury high-end products, 5-star reviews, $10,000 plus products. It's not always the case, but for my store I have 50,000 products because I'm in a very big niche like furniture. But if you're something like saunas, you could have a couple hundred. So basically, we're not relying on one product. That's the main thing. Because with one product, it gets discontinued or there's problems with it, you're relying on just one product. When you're not relying on one product, you have more consistent and you have a stable growing business. Okay, here you have an unscalable business and you have a scalable business here because of all the other points I just went over. Okay, and I've done both business models and I made money with both, but I would only do high ticket e-com if I were to restart nowadays, because the best way to get to $10,000 a month profit just comes down to this simple math. If you were to sell low ticket products, you would have to sell 500, 600 units per month to make $10,000 a month profit. With high ticket, most of the times, you only need to sell 15 to 20 units a month. And this is just like, I'm giving you the best case scenario for low ticket, and I'm giving the worst case scenario for high ticket. Because with high ticket, you could make $10,000 a month profit with just 3 sales, but I'm stretching it. Like, I'm giving the worst case scenario on high ticket and I'm giving you the best case scenario on low ticket, because low ticket, even to make 10K a month profit, a lot of times you have to make over 1,000 orders. So I'm giving you, even bending the rules to favor you, the low ticket dropshipper. Okay, the logical better business model is high ticket e-commerce, because with high ticket e-commerce, it's very simple as a business model. The business model where we set up an online website, reach out to established brands in the US, become authorized retailers for them, and then sell their products on our store. And why do they want us to become authorized retailers for them? Because they don't want to sell on their own website. They don't most of the times even sell to the public. They sell through retailers or distributors, which are us. And then we sell products ranging from $2,000 and more, and we want to sell products that way we can make over $500 to $1,000 profit on each sale. And you don't need to buy inventory up front, because this is dropshipping. At the end of the day, once you can order, you simply tell your supplier, have them ship it to the customer, and you profit the difference in between. And this model will allow you to work with brands that have been around for 10, 20, 30 plus years and sell products that people already want. Again, this is a barbecue store. This is not my store specifically, but they started with high ticket dropshipping and they came out with their own line of products. But these are other brands that you could work with if you were in the barbecue space, like Blaze Barbecue Grills. They've been around for 20, 30 plus years. They have a brand section. You have Mount LP, Weber, Napoleon. These are all brands that have been around for 10, 20, 30 plus, even longer in years. And you can partner with them and sell those products directly on their website, because they don't sell to the public. They sell to dealers and retailers and distributors. They all mean the same thing. And, that's exactly why you want to work with these brands. They're already established. You don't need to create your brand from scratch. So that is high ticket e-commerce. And you have two options. You can either watch my free high ticket dropshipping course that's linked on my YouTube channel. Go to the most popular. You should find a thumbnail that looks like this to watch the free course. That's over 7 hours long. Or you can directly work with me one-on-one, and there's a link down below to apply for coaching. It really just comes down to these two options. You can either go to a free route, you can eventually get to your goal at a long enough horizon, or you can fast track it and work directly with my team and I to get to $10,000 a month profit guaranteed. Again, either two options, I don't really mind which one you take, but you should make one option, take one of those two options that you do have, and actually pursue and start your business today. So with that being said, that is high ticket dropshipping versus low ticket dropshipping, and the differences between low ticket and high ticket. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.